Assalamualaikum. Welcome to this project demonstration video. So this is our project. This is our project UIU management system. So where we have implemented several types of features for the convenient type for students, both student, faculty, staff, and admin. So this is the home page of our project. We have completed this project. For front end we have used React, and for back end we have used Express.js, Node.js, and for database we have used MongoDB. So this is the front page of our project, and we have four type of stakeholder: student, faculty, staff, and admin. So let's say initially for first demonstration I am logging with a student account. Let's this is an student account, and this is student email, and this is student password. So let's say I have pressed the enter button, and then it's going to log in, and this is the student site dashboard. So this is a student account, this is the dashboard of a student, and here this is a dashboard. Here I have you can see the total enrolled course of a student, and here this is search course link. If I click on the link, then there will be a there will navigate another route and search code. Let's say if I search anything, let's say I have searched CSC, then all the CSC related codes will be showed in this page. And not only CSC, if I let's say if I put any number also, let's say 1 2, then this is all the combination of 1 2 will be displayed. And this button is disabled there because already it's already enrolled, that's why the button is already disabled. So I have there are lots of courses. So let's say I have just enrolled this structured programming language lab for section A. If I click on the enroll now button, then there will be a pop-up with that way alert that you enrolled the course successfully. Then I pressed OK. Then there the button will be disabled, and there's the text also be disabled. They're already enrolled. So this is the search course button. If I go to dashboard, then I will show this course that already enrolled, that I have recently enrolled, structured programming language lab for section A, and the course teacher name. So this is the dashboard of a student account. If I go to the counseling page, then there will be all counseling request, all my, and there will be all course list and corresponding a need counseling button. If I click on the need counseling button, then a model will be opened where I have to put counseling information. Already student ID, email, and faculty name has taken. It's the it I cannot or no student can't change this information. And if I say anything, let's say if I put anything ABCD, and also I have put ABC random text for the counseling request, then I will here this is the time schedule of a faculty counseling schedule. Let's say this faculty is provided schedule is Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. If I try to get a wrong day, let's say I will try to reach faculty on Friday. So I have chooses 19:1. If I try to request see available time, then there is a alert, you have chosen a wrong day, please see the counseling schedule. Let's say as I have put a wrong day, that's why the error is short. And now let's try with a valid day, valid counseling schedule, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm taking Sunday schedule. Okay, 21 1. So let's say check the all available time here. There is no book schedule. Choose a suitable time here. That for 21 for Tuesday there is, for Sunday there is no counseling schedule already taken, so I can choose the time between this range. So 10:50 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. Let's say I have taken a counseling for 11 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. Okay, so just click on the submit button, then the appointment is pending to send to the teacher. Okay, send to the faculty. Okay, so there is the counseling request feature, and there is a faculty available feature. Here we can track the faculty for that moment. Here there is a three types of status, the faculty can be free now or will in leave or in busy now mode. Okay, it will change from the faculty end. Here the another feature, blogs and note share, where we can see all the blogs already written, already uploaded by any student or teacher. Also we can write a blog here. If we click on the write to blog button, then there is a blog title, and also there is a blog description button, and then if we save and upload button click, then the blog will be uploaded. And also there is a settings button. If I by default the blog will be shown to all as like a student or faculty, and but if a student can specify, then you just enable this type of features and also include it. And here for shuttle schedule, here he can check the shuttle time from this feature. So this is all from a feature of a students, and all students can do all of this feature from our site. So this was the student feature. Now I am turning into a faculty end. So here there is already I have enrolled a faculty end, that is for Abir Hassan. So here is the dashboard of a faculty. Here he can see the his all running course. Yes, he's taking. So if we go to the counseling session, then here we will see in a counseling request that I have just put a request for counseling, which is with student email, student ID, for which course I have and sections name, and there is a problem summary. If I click on the summary block, then the description text will be displayed. Okay, so here is the date and here is the time. If I the current status and pending. If I just if there's a faculty can to take perform two types of actions except reject. If he try to reject this, then there will be a model, or there will open a model where he can give any feedback about his rejection. Then if he click on the send message button, then successfully feedbacks will be sent. And here the if I refresh the page, if I reload the page, then the status will be rejected, turn into rejected. Okay, and if I see on the faculty, if I go to the student, if I go to the student account, then if I go to the counseling, then I can see that the already application is rejected. If I click on the rejected, then the description why I have the feedback message will be opened, and here I can again apply for counseling. Okay, so then now, okay, now so this was the counseling acceptance and the counseling schedule feature. Here a faculty can update or delete his counseling schedule, and also add more counseling schedule to the list, the counseling list. There is a material request. A user can request for a material to the stuff. Here for there is two tabs. One tab is for classroom and the other tab is for office room. For classroom he has to keep the room number, and also he had to put the amount. Let's say that the student, that faculty need three markers, and he also requests for a duster and also a request for air freshener. Then if you just proceed to request, then the request will be reached to the staff end. And also here office room, he can also request for his equipment at the same time similarly. Okay, then the shuttle schedule, here is the same procedure for a faculty, and also the faculty can track his shuttle schedule in for with this feature. And also share block is also same method for faculty, and also there is the all blog from faculty and student. Also he can write a blog or upload a blog, and also he can update the accessibility of his blog shareability. So this was also the most incredible feature is that he can update his current status. Let's say the faculty's current status is free now. If I go to current status, if I go to the update availability feature, then there will be open three options: free now, busy now, in leave. If I press on the in leave, then the updated, your current status will be updated to in leaf, and there will be in leaf status. So this whole this so there so this all of the features were corresponding related to the faculty, and so this was all faculty features. Now I am turning into my another most important feature, another most important stakeholder, staff. So go through the staff account. So this is our staff account. Here the staff name is Abdul Rahman and the staff email ID and his post. So here he can play most vital important role. The first feature is update shuttle. He can, if only a staff can update the shuttle schedule time. Here there is a two tab also, one is for update student shuttle and second is update faculty time. So he can just update the faculty student shuttle. Here if I see the shuttle 1 Yutun Notun Bazar ready to go, if I just put the Yutun Notun Bazar, I just change the ignition of next schedule. Let's say I have put 8:40 p.m. If I click on the update button, then the shuttle 1 is updated with time. And also here we for by using update button he can update the shuttle. At the same time, you also can update the faculties at the same way. Here is the most another important material pending. Here last time my faculty has requested for a 3 marker and other materials like duster and freshener. The successfully the request has reached to the staff end, and if just he just click on the deliver to awareness and just button this button, then there will be a granted alert will be showed, and a message that please provide the material as soon as possible. So if just after click on the, if I just refresh the page, then I will show that the portion, okay, the portion has deleted successfully from this page. And there is another is issue, and if any staff wants to knock the department or admin, just he can put any message. Let's say he has just give a subject and then he can just elaborate a details message, and if whenever he just click on the send to admin button, the message will successfully send to the admin. So here also is all of the features have detailed for a staff user, a staff stakeholder. So this was all the features was for stuff. Now I am moving into my last and final important role of admin. So if I go to the admin panel, then this is the admin dashboard, and this is the last stakeholder of my project of our site. So here this is the dashboard of an admin where he can see the student, faculty, staff, and here I have implemented some animation image. And here this is the add a student feature. Add a student feature, if admin can add a student with first name, last name, email address, phone number, unique id, etc. And also at the same time he can also add faculty and add staff also. And here manage users feature have all of the users information list. Here this is the student info, faculty info, and staff info. We have just put this information as a tab wise. That's why it looks very unique design, it looks very nice. Okay, so for a student I can search any students as like by 2 to 3 student id or 201 or something else to any things I can search by id. Also I can search a student by id also, and then also there is also a stuff, I can also search a stuff. And here there is a most important role can play through this. Yeah, if admin can make his students alumni also update the information of his of a student. Let's say I have just updated the phone number 9501 to 9504, then if I click on the update info button, then successfully updated shown, and there will be shown the 9501 become to 9504. Okay, and also I can delete admin can delete a student, and also admin can assign codes to the faculty as well as, and there is an inbox message where all the info problems have whoever stuff has written any issue, all of the stored are in inbox panel. So here this is the last message I have sent to the admin. If I click on the sub button, then the elaborate message will be displayed, and there is a button. If I click on the mark read button, then there will be a alert that I have viewed this problem, admin has viewed this problem, and there is a notification that please solve the issue as soon as possible. Okay, so there, if I just refresh the page for the second time, then the button will be changed, and they have pushed me, the button will push me to solve this problem as early as possible. Okay, so there is a final touch of our, yeah, then this is the teams panel where there is a list of our of this is the list of the person who have already paid for this project with their um, let's say with their work. So this is the full project of my site, and hope you have enjoyed this project, and thanks a lot for your patience. Thank you so much.